Hello, it's me, Jimmy Team, back with PMU. Talk about stencil. Okay, I have a lot of episodes. I make it already, but I need to redo it again. Like, why? My purpose is trying to make a very good stencil. Good. Now, for example, this is my final result. Okay, let me show you. Of course, I have a lot of stuff to share. Okay, now take a look at that one. Image, gradient, portraits. How clean, how nice. Are you able to practice on those practice skin? Now define line, how thin. Now let me show you. Okay, how fine line. Okay, I do a lot of tests. Before, what's going on is, like, you see, they spread like crazy. Okay, you're still able to practice. Okay, you're still able to practice, but something like that. Okay, once doesn't stay, or something spread out, or like some area you can able to practice, but this is all spread out. How you can practice now, even though some of them is okay, the line is uneven, so how you can practice. If you're having trouble to make a good stencil, this is the right video for you. Especially making stencil on the practice skin by using which machines, which thermal stencil paper, which practice skin. So many tests, printer connection, troubleshooting, and discovered something new, especially on the practice skin, fine and clean, showing all the details for practice. Check the link below for my class. Some class is for free. You can order some samples before you buy your own printer. And of course, I have a class for permanent makeup.